Hi guys! In today's lesson, we are going to be adding 2 to 3 digit numbers with regrouping. When you want to combine something, you're going to add it. The two numbers that you add together are called the add-ins, and the sum is the answer to an addition problem. So in this first problem here, 2 plus 1, no, that's a piece of cake. I know that equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. This one is a little bit more complicated. 24 plus 12. To add numbers, you have to line up the place value positions. 4 is lined up with 2 because they're both in the ones place. And 2 is lined up with 1 because these are both in the tens place. So I add up my ones place first. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 2 plus 1 equals 3. I have a sum of 36. When you add numbers, sometimes you need to regroup, or in other words, when you find your answer, let me erase that. When you find your answer to 8 plus 5, I know that 8 plus 5 is 13. I can't put two numbers, 1 and 3, in one place value position. One number. 13 has 2 digits. That's not going to work. So in this case, let me erase that. Let me erase that, guys. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So in this case, when I add 5 plus 8, and I know that equals 13, I'm going to place 3 ones down. Let me fix that. I'm going to place 3 ones down, and I'm going to regroup my 110 by carrying it over to my tens place. So now I'm going to add 3 plus 2 is 5, plus the one that you carried over is 6. And I like it that when you regroup or carry your numbers over to the next place, we always circle it. So I make a 1 right there inside, and then I circle it. Kind of makes it bold and stand out a little bit to help me remember to add it. Let's look at this next problem. 984 plus 534, a 3-digit by a 3-digit. My place value positions are lined up with each other, my ones, my tens, and my hundreds. So let's begin adding this together. And remember, whatever I'm taking on my board, you're copying down in your notes. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So I'm going to place my 1 down, and I'm going to regroup and carry my 110 over to my hundreds place. So I know that 9 plus 5 is 14. 9 plus 5 is 14, plus this 1 that I carried over is going to be 15. So I'm going to place my 5 down, and there's no thousands place right here to carry my 100 over. So I'm going to just place it down to show 15. 9 plus 5 is 15. I put down my 5, and I also brought down my 1 because there's no place to carry it to. So my answer is 1,518. 1, 2, 3, comma. Count over 3 places each time. to place your comma. On this practice page, we are going to do the first 94 plus 58, the first one together, and also 798 plus 123 together. So I'm going to put a star right here because that's one we're going to do together, and I'm going to put a star right here because that's another one we're going to do together. So let's look at 94 plus 58. 4 plus 8. If I have 8 and I count 4 more, I get 12. So in order to put my 2 down, I place my 2 directly underneath the ones place, and I have to regroup or carry over my 110. So now I'm going to add 9 plus 5 plus the one that I carried over. I know that 9 plus 5 is 14 plus the one that I carried over. So 14 plus 1 is 15. I place my 5 directly underneath my tens place. And since I don't have a hundreds place to carry my 1 over to, I'm just going to bring it down. So there's my 15 to have a sum of 152. Let's look at the next problem. 798 plus 123. Let's add up my ones first. 8 plus 3 is 11. So I place my 1 down in my ones place, and I'm going to carry over or regroup my 110. And now I'm going to add 9 plus 2 is 11. Plus the 1 that I carried over. So 9 plus 2 is 11, plus 1 is 12. So I place my 2 underneath my tens place, and I have to carry over a 1 to the hundreds place. So now I'm going to add 7 plus 1 is 8, plus the one that you carried over is 9. And that 9 goes directly underneath the hundreds place. So I have a sum of 921. Sometimes in addition problems you need to regroup, and sometimes you don't. But when you do, when you carry over to the next place, circle that 1 so it kind of stands out to help you remember that you need to add that. Great job adding up 2 to 3 digit numbers with regrouping. I'm now going to have you complete the rest of this page independently by yourselves, and I will be coming around and working with you. Good luck!